और एक स्ट्रक्चर्ड इंटरैक्शन मीडिया के साथ करने का भी सोचा गया, ताकि जो सवाल आपके मन में हो उसका जवाब हम लोग दे सकें। इसी मकसद से आज आप लोगों को आमंत्रित किया गया है, जिसमें नॉर्थ डिस्ट्रिक्ट और साउथ डिस्ट्रिक्ट के केसेस के जो बेसिक डिटेल्स हैं, ओवरऑल पैटर्न है, वो आप लोगों को एसपी नॉर्थ और एसपी साउथ बताएंगे, और आपके जो सवाल होंगे उसको भी हम लोग उसका मुनासिब जवाब, प्रॉपर रिप्लाई जो होगा वो देने की कोशिश करेंगे। अभी मैं एसपी साउथ को रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि पहले वो साउथ डिस्ट्रिक्ट के केसेस के बारे में आपसे जानकारी साझा करें। धन्यवाद।
Good evening. In the South Goa district, we have registered 12 cases of duping the victims. In these cases, there are 21 accused persons. We have arrested 20 accused persons. Out of these 20 accused persons, there are 2 government servants and one lady. She is at large, and we are tracking her. We have seized from them 12 incriminating material, as well as we have seized 2 minibuses, 12 four-wheelers, 4 two-wheelers. Their bank accounts of incriminating persons also have been found, and they have been also freezed. In these cases, the investigations are carried on day-to-day basis. We'll see that each case is taken to the logical end to bring down each and every person involved in these cases. Thank you.
Madam, before moving forward, out of 21 accused, how many are women and how many are
Women are there are 6 women and there are 14 men.
another 21 accused, you know?
There's
6
one female.
One.
She is at large.
So total 7.
And amount
The total amount is running to 5 crores and above.
मैडम, ये केस का मामला में कितना सालों से ये रजिस्टर फ्रॉड हो रहा है?
This is happening since the year 2015, 14-15.
Madam, any political connections?
Absolutely, till date, no political connections have come forward. Accused are just saying that they were feigning to create a sort of ambience to say that we know. Otherwise, there is no linkage of any political connections at all.
ये चेन है ना मैडम, ये अरेस्ट हुआ है एक ही चेन है क्या, नहीं तो डिफरेंट
There are different chains. Even to the extent, one of the case that we have got, they said that they will be providing job across the border in KHABAR.
Ma'am, if they have
How many offences has been registered in South total overall?
12.
उनमें गणेश गांव का जो ऑडियो सबमिट हुआ है उसके बारे में क्या करेंगे?
We are inquiring into the matter. We have also asked for information from the applicant who has given us the application with his complaint. We have sought for certain clarifications from him.
Any government officials, any connections with it?
Absolutely nothing till date. We have sought for information from in this matter with the applicant.
Madam, what is political affiliation? Like person think that they approach करता है just word of mouth publicity.
It is word of mouth publicity.
ट्रांसपोर्टिंग ट्रेल त्याचे पुढे यूज झाले की तसे परमिशन मिळाली.
We are unearthing everything.
All 12 are linked with each other. Separate cases.
They are all separate cases.
Ma'am, if they are not connected with any of this, maybe political or this, they can so much money they have collected and they have kept that money with themselves.
Yes. Till now they have kept the money with them. Some of the money, because people have started approaching, some have returned some money also to them. Otherwise, what we can see from the case of the lady first one, Pooja Naik, She wanted to have Aishwaram Jindagi. Even what we saw with Deepashri also, she wanted to have the luxurious going around. That's how they invested money, which is with the four-wheeler vehicles and all. We have seized those vehicles also.
Sir, in any case, she successfully gave a job to someone that there is finance for career. So she can carry the job
Yet not so far. Not so far.
अशें जाता की बाय लक म्हणजे ताणें पयशे घेतल्या बाय मेरिट्साचेर तो भुरगो कामाक लागला आणि ही हिणें आनी 4 जाणांक सांगलें वचून की आपल्याच खातीर लागलो कामाक म्हणून अशें बी जालां
ना अजूनपर्यंत असो येवना एकटो येवना.
म्हणजे पुढे केसी स्टँड जातल्यो म्हणजे पुढे फोटोग्राफ्स म्हणटा तुमी हे करताले आनी एविडन्स कितें आहा
We are collecting all the evidence from all sides. We are recording the statements of the witnesses. Who are coming forward also and giving the statements that there are bank transactions also in some matters where we have found that they have given the money. Now, in one of the investigations, as we were doing, we found some documents also which were exchanged by those candidates, so-called candidates, to these people, which we have found with them. Sort of appreciate the biodata of theirs.
How many people have been duped? How many people have been duped in South Goa with these cases, in 12 cases? कितल्या लोकांक duped केला यांच्यानी?
Right now, more people are coming. Right now, around
As of now?
around more than 50 people.
मैडम इसका एक अभी कंप्लेंट दिया ना वो लोगों ने पैसे भी दिया है बट इसका ऊपर भी केस होएगा बिकॉज ही इज ऑल्सो क्यों पैसे दे की जॉब करने की.
Right now, these are the victims who have been duped.
Ma'am, in disclosures, has anyone named any link to any politician or something as well?
Till date, nothing has been done.
Can we say that all this is part of one organized racket or separate cases?
These are all separate cases, not organized.
You feel this number will increase now as the day go by from 15 more than that can be?
We are encouraging people to come forward and to give the complaints. And so the people with that confidence that has been instilled in them, that they are coming forward and they are giving the complaints.
Madam, this 21 accused person त्यांचे कंप्लेंट कोणी घातल्या त्यांना अरेस्ट केला काय अक्यूजनी आणि कोणाचे नाव घेऊन मागीर अरेस्ट केले.
Accused जशे सांगतात तशे आमी तांचे मुखार हांचे आणि म्हाका दिले ताका दिले they have given the name, so we have brought them on. So now we also have the cases of the law we can hear from now.
Following complaints from public, North Goa Police has registered a total of 17 cases till yesterday. Of these, 5 cases have been registered in Bicholi Police Station, 4 cases have been registered in Agashi Police Station, 2 cases have been registered in Porvan Police Station, 1 case has been registered in Old Goa Police Station, and 1 case each has been registered in Mapsa and Old Valley Police Station. In these cases, until now, the North Goa Police has arrested 13 accused persons and more arrests are likely. Some of the persons have been found involved in more than 1 cases. Thus far, investigation which we have conducted has revealed that most of the money was either paid through cash and in some cases it was also paid through bank accounts. In all those cases in which bank transactions are involved, we are working closely with the bank authorities to find out the money trail as to what were the sources and destination of the money. In one of the cases, we have also recovered 116 grams of gold. This had been shared with you previously, this information. I would submit that investigation in these cases is continuous and ongoing. Therefore, at this stage, we would only be able to disclose this many details. Thank you.
In 17 cases, how many total accused?
As I said, we have arrested
13
persons.
total accused.
Total accused, we believe, are around 18.
What is the cost?
How many women, how many men?
Some of these accused persons are also accused in cases of South District. So, giving you a clear distinction between women and child at this stage would not be right. We would be able to share that data later.
सर इसमें कुछ इंटरस्टेट कम्युनिकेशंस हो रहा था कोल्हापुर से लेके
देखिए इसके अंदर जो नॉर्थ गोवा के अंदर हमने देखा है, इसके अंदर अलग अलग मोडस ऑपरेंडी यूज किया गया, अलग अलग तरीके के नौकरियों को प्रॉमिस करने के लिए। एक हमने केस वर्क किया था जो बिचोलियम पुलिस स्टेशन के अंदर रजिस्टर किया था, जहाँ पे कुछ समय से हमारे पास एक ऐसी सूचना आ रही थी कि वन लेडी had promised persons that she will give them jobs in railway. So we had registered a case and that accused person has been arrested. She was later identified as one Priya Yadav, who was a resident of Modem in Bicholim. इसके ऊपर 2 केसेस अभी तक रजिस्टर्ड हैं और इसका मोडस ऑपरेंडी इस तरीके का था that she would say to victims that she had some land in Kolhapur which had been taken over by railways, और रेलवेज ने जब उनसे लैंड ली तो रेलवे ने उनको प्रॉमिस किया कि वो उनको नौकरी भी देंगे और कैश भी देंगे। और एक बार उन्होंने एक तरीके का ट्रिप भी लगाया विक्टिम्स को ले जाके, जहाँ उन्होंने उनको ज़मीन दिखाई और कहा कि ये रेलवे आपको इसमें नौकरी देगा। एक लेडी उन्होंने हायर की जो एक तरीके से जिसने विक्टिम्स को फ़ोन करके कहा कि हाँ मैं रेलवे से बोल रही हूँ, आप ऐसे फॉर्म भर के भेजो, हम आपको पैसे देंगे। ऐसे करके शी हैड ड्यूट लार्ज नंबर ऑफ पर्सन्स एंड इन दिस केस वी हैड रिकवर्ड 116 grams of gold. And how this recovery happened is also interesting because in some cases she would take the victims to certain places such as places where if you mortgage your gold you get cash. So वो victims को वहाँ ले जाती थी और उनसे उनका गोल्ड मॉर्गेज करा के पैसे ले लेती थी by saying कि ये मैं वहाँ पे आपको नौकरी दिलाने के लिए यूज़ करूँगी and she would then just leave them. So in these cases we have recovered that gold.
नॉर्थ गोवा में जितने भी केसेस हैं उसमें तो ज़्यादा तो महिलाओं का समावेश है, तो कैसे देखते हैं?
देखिए इस तरीके से for us I do not do that gender. For us they are all accused persons.
As per FIR, how many women names are there in FIR?
As I had told you earlier.
No, some are separate.
Some of these accused persons.
Common. Agreed, no problem.
Common. But still, for
yeah.
your this thing, I will read out to you how many of them are female in North Goa.
Yeah.
Seven persons are female.
How many FIRs and terms are getting placed?
वो बताएं.
Sir, apart from the north, how many victims and the amounts?
Yeah, victims and amount in North Goa.
देखिए the amount is something which is still we are working on, so I would not be able to give you any figure about the amount. The number of accused, number of victims at this stage is around 45, 44 it is. Baki as it is, these numbers are changing on a daily basis as fresh complaints are approaching to us.
Common thing between them, common any mastermind or they are operating individually?
None thus far.
So at this moment,
constable भी involved है इस केस में?
एक जो बिचुलिन का केस है उसके अंदर एक हमारे कांस्टेबल का नाम आया है और he is also named as an accused in the FIR. Following his involvement, he was immediately suspended, and necessary legal action, whatever is under the law, is being taken against him.
Any government official involved?
None in North.
Sir, if we are saying that some people from the north, in the north FIRs are also linked to south, तो फिर तो
नहीं, मैंने ये नहीं कहा। मैंने आपको ये कहा कि कुछ कंप्लेनेंट्स जिन्होंने नॉर्थ में आके कंप्लेंट दी है उनको उन लोगों को एक्यूज माना गया जिनको साउथ में भी मतलब उन लोगों ने कुछ को नॉर्थ में शूट किया, कुछ को साउथ में.
So as the press conference has gone and you all have told us about the amount, the accused, everything, and since you all are senior officials, don't you think so without senior or top post